And in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, honey, did you fall off the couch?
Yeah. There's a downside to the sofa, and I'm not saying there is one. But if there is, it is simply the fact that it is so darn comfortable.
Baby.
But it is so hard to stay awake. Must lie down.
Okay, I'm gonna lay down.
New couch. Shh. He's dreaming he's a motorboat. He woke himself up. I got it.
This is what a mad pig sounds like.
Oh my!
Come on, get up. Get up.
But the sofa's Otis's favorite spot.
Come on. Get up.
The best thing about weighing 450 pounds is they can't really make you get up. While you're at work all day, Jasper does his part licking up the crumbs on the floor from breakfast. And it usually goes pretty well. But occasionally, it doesn't. Jasper's gonna need a hug when you get home. Say hello to San Antonio Slim, part hustler, part shark, and all cat. 9-ball, corner pocket. 12-ball, corner pocket. Green ball, corner pocket. Slim loves those corner pockets. Mankey's expertise is free soloing the screen door. Oh sure, she could easily slide the door open with her paw, but Mankey is all about the exhilaration a kitty feels when taking their life in their own hands, defying gravity, and reaching the back door heights with the added thrill of having no safety net. And once Mankey summits, the thrills get even more invigorating when Mankey descends the other side of the screen. Nicely done, Mankey! And even the dog's impressed. And he does not impress easily. Mitzi had an adventurous spirit, and there was nothing she wouldn't climb with cat-like agility. Well, not cat-like, because, you know, she is a cat, but you get the idea. And once Mitzi ascended the cat tower, she wept, for there were no more things to climb. Wait, look! The blinds!
Bro, what the heck?
He thought it would be fun to squeeze between the screen and the door. But then he just kept going higher. He didn't mean to, but now he's sort of stuck.
Look at him. Come here. He's gonna get hurt.
She's speechless. He is definitely having a worse day than you, don't you think?
Dude.
And the countdown continues with number 8. As God is his witness, he thought he could fit under it. So, he was saddled with the burden of dragging the chair around the yard for most of the day. Can you help a turtle out? Oh, Yertle, it's gonna be a long day. Nibbles was so close. Yet so far. I think he likes you. Goldie's defense? She lost it in the sun. Lucy is salty. And now, for a light meal. Watch that first step. Don't worry, no one saw that. Coming in way too hot. When Deborah hired her duckling secretary, she hoped it would save time. But after 2 weeks, she's behind schedule and there's no bread left in the entire house. Daisy is a reformed mailman chaser.
Daisy, go get the mail.
She's made incredible progress.
Oh. She took off too fast.
So close! Hey, Carl, can you help a baby out? We're busting out of here, kid! Carl does great work. Thanks to our life coach, Toodles, Blake Elizabeth was reaching all new heights.
Blake Elizabeth, where do you think you're going?
With Toodles by her side, straight to the top. He just wanted to see what all the fuss was about. Angus had watched the family play in the new above-ground pool for weeks. Games of chicken, Marco Polo, breath-holding contests. He thought it'd be fun. But just like a china shop, an above-ground pool is no place for a bull. In our Pet-tastic Pets Hall of Fame. Have no fear, Gus is here! Since Gus has been on the job, there have been 0 accidents, 0 drownings, and 0 cats on the premises.
Thank you, lifeguard Gus. Thank you.
Okay.
This is the sickest thing I've ever seen. Look at that. Don't hit it. Don't hit it wrong.
There's ants carrying a piece of cable up a wall vertically.
They could have just walked around, but that wouldn't have been sick.
That is absolutely incredible.
Uh-oh, here comes Billy Buffalo. Most of the deer knew what that meant, but one did not. Our countdown rolls on. Here's number 5. That time Tilly got the cone and thought, well, it can't get any worse than this.
Oh, Tilly, are you okay?
That time Nala found a stick. But it wasn't a good fit.
Come on. Come on. Noah.
It does look lifelike, but there's no way an AI-driven robot cat's going to replace a house cat like me. Head for the hills! The bots are taking over! The bots are taking over! Hey, do you guys like my astronaut costume? I spent like all night on it. Wait, who's laughing?
Over here.
Well, I actually can't see very well in this. Seriously, what's so funny? Does it look dumb? I need it to not look dumb. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Okay, now we can cross. Hey, Alan, can you hand me the pipe wrench from that toolbox next to you?
Ginger, what are you doing?
I'm trying to fix the leak that you've been ignoring for 3 days. Pipe wrench. Come on, Alan.
Ginger.
Alan, pipe wrench, please. We are headed back to the countdown with number 3. That time Billy just could not get comfortable.
Nikki, let me in the house.
Sorry, no moms allowed.
Let me in the house. Bo, let me in the house. Seriously, Nikki, let me in the house.
Pony party!
Thunder?
Thunder got overly excited.
It's been a while since you ran.
Pepper is a horse dog.
Something duo.
That's good, Pepper. Now try it with a lady on your back. Of course I'm not good with zippers. You ever see a horse wear jeans? Speckles knows that big smiles get big handfuls of grass.
Big smile.
The shorter the horse, the shorter the fall. Abby spent half an hour every morning picking out the absolute perfect outfit. She would check high and low.
Wanna play fetch? Go get it.
Number 10, the Barstool Bop. Number 9, Puppy Under Glass.
He's gonna get hurt.
Number 8, Grab a Seat. Number 7, Rodent Leap of Faith. Number 6, Aqua Rodeo. Number 5, Enter the Cone Zone. Number 4, Long Stick, Small Hole. Number 3, Quest for Comfort. Number 2, Feline Spring Cleaning. For days now, they kept hearing meowing coming from somewhere inside the house.
Hold on, kitty.
And come to think of it, they hadn't seen her in a while.
Trent, I need something else, please. Can you?
And then it dawned on them. They hadn't seen her since Uncle Bob did all that drywall work in the living room. So the rescue efforts went into effect.
Okay. There she is. I see her. Come on, she's coming. Come on, kitty. There. Come on, kitty.
And thus ended Kitty's very bad, no good day.